Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting a bit late, between 3 and 4 now here in the UK, here in sunny Yorkshire. It's getting dark, but I'm going to be sowing these Alyssum Golf Ball Bright mixed, fragrant, versatile, low-growing plants. These are perfect for bees, and this is from the RHS Royal Horticultural Society in conjunction with Mr. Fothergill's. Just if you can see the instructions there, if you can see them. It says high quality bedding and container plants, smothered with fragrant blooms in a wide ranging mix of colours and shades. Ideal for edging sunny beds and borders. Winner of the RHS Award of Garden Merit for reliability and good performance. Part of the seed range produced by Mr. Fothergill's seeds in partnership with RHS. Height 10 cm, spread 25 cm. I love these. They're fragrant, look nice in pots, so we're going to be sowing these today. First of all, I've mixed probably 60% compost with 40% vermiculite or perlite. I always get them two mixed up, but the white one anyway. Yeah, give it a good tap down once you've got it like that. You get 250 seeds in one of these packets, so always give it a good tap. Make sure you get all the seeds to the bottom. Just going to be using half of this tray because I always run out of space this time of year, so I'll just use half and show you the seeds. These are pretty good sized seeds. You can see that. Yeah, nice seeds. So yeah, just going to use half. Don't want to waste any. Just gently try and get them as far space as far apart as you can. Oh, by the way, this is a peat-based compost, and it's got like 6 weeks worth of feeding. Some people use a special mix, but I find this really does the job quite well. Right, always fold up, put back in the proper packet. Yeah, once these germinate, you will have a bit of food to get them going, so yeah, not too bad. Right, so once I've done that, you can get a little bit of your mix. You don't want to, just the tiniest little bit over. You don't want to go mad. And then all we need to do is, just write yourself a little tag. Alyssum. Tell about being dyslexic. Absolutely nightmare. Yeah, once we've written the tag, you want the date you've sown it on. Yeah, that's the tag. I've got the date on my phone, so I know which one it is. But yeah, in there like so. And now just give them a good water them from the top and then from the bottom. Yeah, all we need to do now is put them over into my watering tray, which is cost me a few £pound from my local hardware store. In there, and then just wet the top, and it should soak up what's called capillary action. You should start pulling the water up. Leave it in there for a good half an hour till everything's really well watered. Then take it out, and I'll just put it on my LED grow lights underneath this bench, and they should start coming out within the next 2 or 3 weeks. They need to be between 15 and 20. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe, everybody. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and do keep safe.